Good morning, everybody. How are you? I'm going to do a page out of the reverse coloring book. I've already pulled it out. This is the book I'm using. There are many others out there. Do what you want with them. I know that this looks like flowers. A lot of the pages look like flowers. I'm going to do something else. Where's my brush pen? This one. I see something else today. I see faces. Do you see faces now? I see faces. Big singing faces. Um, this one looks like it goes this way. And this one. Do you see faces now? I'm having fun. I'm having fun. think I'm going to grab my paint markers and do some we've got some purple-haired people. This guy's wearing a hat. This guy. Gonna add a little of this kind of greenish color. This one's wearing a bow tie. I have made myself a little choir. It's Christmas time, right? We're going to be going out doing a little Christmas caroling this season. There we go. That was just a little fun, something to do. Is it awe-inspiring? Is it spectacular? No, it's really actually not. But I was having fun, and this will do. All right, you guys go out and do something nice for someone today. Have fun. Turn on some Christmas tunes. Give yourself a bit of singing. Do a little dancing. Move your body a bit. And I will see you on the next video. This was just to kind of warm up my fingers. I actually have an idea for the next one, which is awesome because I don't always reverse coloring choir. That's not spelled right. Choir. Okay. Reverse coloring choir. Looks good to me. All right. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.